Hi, I'm Bud Miller from BudCAD.com, the author of Hue Legal, the legal description writer for Civil 3D. So I'm working on a series of videos, and I thought it'd be a fun idea to time how long it takes me to write 6 legal descriptions using Hue Legal. I have 6 parcels defined in Civil 3D, as you can see. So we're going to start a timer, see just how long it takes to write 6 legal descriptions while I talk. So we'll start with Market Street. Go to Properties, select all, copy, launch Hue Legal, add-ins, paste. Get our templates all set up. Enter responses to our user prompts. Start clockwise. Use the same POB I used to define the parcel in the first place in Civil 3D. Call it number 1. And we're finished with number 1. We'll go to open space 4. Now people ask me why I created this program. And the reason is 20 years ago I was writing legal descriptions every day, some taking upwards of an hour, maybe longer, depending on the number of courses in the descriptions. So I realized all the information was already available in Civil 3D and at the time in Land Desktop. So I was actually in WordPerfect at the time, started to write some macros to tighten it up, and eventually those macros blossomed into Civil 3D, or the Hue Legal version that you can buy today. So I decided to market it. So this is the third. Copy. Launch the program. Now we've got users in every state in the United States so far, over a period of 20 years. And the program's grown to thankfully to, quite frankly, a lot of user input to the version that's available today for purchase. I actually use it weekly at my day job. I'm not a programmer by background. Call that number 3. I actually have a math degree and I work for an energy company. This will be number 4. You can see legal descriptions using Hue Legal take on the average 30 seconds, maybe 40 seconds, some a little bit longer. The first one I wrote there was, I believe, almost 500 words. Took about 40 seconds. You can see all the red data is the call that number 5. Is the data from our curve template, which are fully customizable. That was actually number 4. This will be number 5. It's a fairly fast process once you get through setting everything up in your templates. There are 9 curve variables that you can use in either tangent or non-tangent curve templates. You can set a template up for either. Some surveyors like to write their non-tangent curves differently than they write their tangent curves, so that's why that's an option. Headers and footers are totally customizable with user prompts. Number 5. Yep. We'll go back and we'll get the last one. Select all, copy. Messed up with the numbering there a little bit, but I think you get the idea. Add-ins, paste. Description. Same header data. Clockwise, no POB change. That'll be number 6. So that's 6 legal descriptions, 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Let's see what that last one was. 318 words, the longest of those 6, 500 words. So 6 legal descriptions, 4 minutes, under 4.5 minutes. No transposition errors. You're going to exactly duplicate what you have in Civil 3D. Total of 4.5 minutes, as opposed to typing those from scratch. Maybe you're looking at, say, even conservatively an hour for a good typist. That's 4.5 minutes versus an hour with no mistakes. So for my money, Hue Legal is a pretty good value. Thanks for watching.